ISTQB Foundation Level, question 729. Given the following examples of entry and exit criteria. 1. The original testing budget of 30,000 plus a contingency of 7,000 has been spent. 2. 96% of planned tests for the drawing package have been executed, and the remaining tests are now out of scope. 3. The trading performance test environment has been designed, set up, and verified. 4. Current status is no outstanding critical defects and 2 high priority ones. 5. The autopilot design specifications have been reviewed and reworked. 6. The tax rate calculation component has passed unit testing. Which of the following best categorizes them as entry and exit criteria? A. Entry criteria are 5, 6. Exit criteria are 1, 2, 3, 4. B. Entry criteria are 2, 3, 6. Exit criteria are 1, 4, 5. C. Entry criteria are 1, 3. Exit criteria are 2, 4, 5, 6. D. Entry criteria are 3, 5, 6. Exit criteria are 1, 2, 4. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. According to ISTQB Syllabus, entry criteria are readiness to start testing, environment, test basis, prior test levels complete. Exit criteria are conditions to stop testing, coverage, defect status, budget, schedule. Let's look at all the statements from 1 to 6. Statement 1 is exit criteria. Budget exhaustion is a project-level exit criterion. Statement 2 is exit criteria. Test execution status is a typical exit criterion. Statement 3 is entry criteria. A ready and verified test environment is a classic entry criterion. Statement 4 is exit criteria. Defect status is a classic exit criterion. Statement 5 is entry criteria. A reviewed and stable test basis is required before testing can begin. Statement 6 is entry criteria. Completion of a lower test level, unit testing, is an entry criterion for higher level testing. In summary, all of the above leads us to the correct answer D. Entry criteria are 3, 5, 6. Exit criteria are 1, 2, 4. And answers A, B, C are incorrect. My recommendation: please remember entry and exit criteria to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 5.1.3 entry criteria and exit criteria in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that typical entry criteria include availability of resources, e.g., people, tools, environments, option 3, test data, budget, time, availability of testware, e.g., test basis, option 5, testable requirements, user stories, test cases, and initial quality level of a test object, e.g. all smoke tests have passed. Option 6. Typical exit criteria include measures of thoroughness, e.g. achieved level of coverage, number of unresolved defects, defect density, number of failed test cases, and binary yes-no criteria, e.g. planned tests have been executed. Option 2. Static testing have been performed. All defects found are reported. Option 4. All regression tests are automated. Running out of time or budget can also be viewed as valid exit criteria. Option 1. This is consistent with the correct answer D. At first glance, this question is somewhat difficult, but when you think about it, it's pretty logical and simple. Don't stop, never give up.